Coming up is another 6-month growth comparison, also showing you the improvement in the thickness of my hair. In today's video, I do a side-by-side 6-month comparison of braid out on my natural hair. Let's go ahead and get into today's video. Welcome and welcome back to all my new and returning subscribers. I really appreciate each and every one of you stopping by my channel, commenting, and all the love that you show me. Really appreciate it. Thank you so much. So I've been going over a lot of my videos. As I said, you're going to see so many comparison videos on my channel, just giving you tips and encouragement of continuing to grow your natural hair. And in today's video, I'm just going to talk about that. It's a journey. It's all about the journey. Sometimes you don't see instant progress or feel like you want to continue on your natural hair journey, but it's about the journey. It's about learning your natural hair. So the video on the left was filmed late 2020, probably about November 2020, when I just started to make content for my YouTube channel. So I started YouTube with that hair. The hair was very healthy, relatively healthy. I wasn't wearing crochet braids as much then, and it was looking quite nice. It was growing. It was quite long, and the video on the right was taken about April, May of 2021, and after that, my hair really started to break and got damaged. But the reason why I'm comparing these two videos is to show you that sometimes you're doing your natural hair, you're not going to see instant results in, say, the length, but other things are improving. So I can say probably about January 2021 was when I really started to wear crochet braid as my main protective style. So over the course of about 6 months, I wasn't really seeing much of a damage. My hair was getting thicker, as you can see. The video on the right, my hair is much thicker than the video on the left, but other damages started to happen. Now it's all about learning our natural hair, and I've told you that I've been on a natural hair journey since 2007. That's why I have so many pictures to show you on my natural hair journey videos. And I'll be doing much more commentary on those, because learning a natural hair is a journey, and it's important to remember that this is the hair that we've been given, and this is the hair that we have to learn to look nice and to style and to take care of. And so it's very important that we do that. Whether we decide to, do a process to it or something to make it more manageable, that's beside the point. But we want to make sure that we know how to take care of our natural hair. And I think that's the reason why I started my natural hair journey. So I think it's important to say that the journey really matters. As I started YouTube, I also started to really look into the content on YouTube and started to look at YouTubers with other hair types as mine. At the same time, I actually stopped looking after my own natural hair. So by hiding it away in crochet braids, I thought, okay, I'm going to give it maximum protection, and I'm going to leave it alone, and it's going to grow. I was actually watching a pattern of the YouTubers with hair that's similar to mine. What did they have in common? Majority of them would wear a protective style on their own natural hair and leave it for a while. Now, I don't know if on a daily basis if they were a wig, but I saw that they were mainly using braids on their natural hair. And so I started to naturally protect my hair using just mini braids. It's important to remind you that on your natural hair journey, you will have ups and downs. The downs is a learning time, so it's time to look at what's gone wrong in your regimen. I advocate of having a good routine and regimen. If you haven't already, do check out my routines and regimens videos. So much information in those playlists. I will be from time to time removing some videos from my channel as my content evolves. But as they are there, if I've removed them, I will be making more updated videos. But certainly on routine, what are some routines that's relevant for natural hair beginners that's just starting on the natural hair journey? That's all in that playlist, so do check it out. So my hair was gaining thickness over this time. So because it was tucked away in crochet braids, the new growth that was coming in is much thicker than the actual hair at the end of my hair. And so I started to sort of notice the difference in my hair. It was a lot drier than when I started on YouTube, but I didn't really pay much attention to that. My aim was to maximum protect my hair. So to gain every length and to keep and retain every length that I was growing. And I thought crochet braid was the way. My hair looks beautiful in the video on the right, but damage was starting to happen. I've always said that your natural hair journey is your natural hair journey. It's a personal journey for yourself, but it's also important to go back and look at that journey and think about, when did your hair look the best? What was you doing at that time? And so now I've got these videos, and particularly doing these comparison videos, I'm able to reflect and to think about how much different my hair looks. That's why I always say to you, film your natural hair journey. Even if you don't put content out, do film it so you can see the difference. So the video on the left, as I said, my hair was relatively healthy, but it's much thinner than the hair on the right. So although damage is occurring, I'm learning that protective style is the way to go. I was just using the wrong form of protective style. As you know, I now advocate for using mini braids, twists, or any other style on your own natural hair to grow it, because I believe that that hair that you grow outside of all of those different forms of protective styling, and I use hair quotes here because they're not very protective if they are pulling on your edges, if they're damaging your strands, and if they're making your ends dry. It's actually going to be worse when you actually take those styles down to nurture back the hair. And when you watch my channel, you can see that it's a pattern. From August 2021, my hair was severely damaged, and that's my video in my comparison before this one. Severely damaged by using crochet braids for 8 months straight. And I saw a lot of damage in my hair, and then I learned that my own hair needed to breathe. It needed to come out of that style and actually be out. In mini braids, I'm able to wash my hair as often as I like, and that's a great benefit of mini braids because it's already styled. I can wash it and then just wear it normal, deep condition it whenever I feel, and apply any treatments that I like to it to leave in there, flaxseed and any evader. And so I'm seeing beautiful hair growth, and I'm so excited to show you my latest videos. If you've gotten so far in the video, it would really mean a lot to me if you would subscribe to my channel. Do hit the like button and share it to anyone that you think will benefit. So in this video, I'm reminding you it's about the journeys. There will be highs and there will be lows. I actually started YouTube with a relative amount of beautiful natural hair. I managed to damage it over the next 6 to 8 months as I was putting content out there, and you saw that damage, but now I'm nurturing it back. So enjoy the journey, and as you learn, do make notes, do take pictures, and chart your natural hair journey so that you can grow your natural hair long, healthy, and strong. I believe everyone can grow their natural hair long, healthy, and strong, and that's why I share these videos showing you I've never had long hair before, and I'm going to link a few videos that will show you that. But I'm trying, and so I'm learning, and I'm also trying to help you. Thank you so much for watching my video, and I will see you in the next one. Take care.